Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, Hadoop Mentor. My name is Veera Ravi. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have gone through the previous session and previous video to install the Scala, and now we are going to install Spark in this. So the installation of the Spark is very straightforward and it's very simple. It's not that no as complicated as our Hadoop cluster or Hadoop setup. So here, what we are going to do, we are going to install Spark. We're going to install Spark. So how to do that? What are the things we need to take care before installing Spark? So to install Spark, we should have a Java and Scala should be running. Even if you're running your Spark in, if you're running your Spark in yarn mode or yarn as a resource manager, we should have a yarn also should be running on it. Right. Anyway, we have already installed all this in the previous videos. So as part of this video, we will be seeing how to install Spark and we'll be running on the Spark. So how to install Spark? So it is very simple. Go to Spark website, download Tarball, extract it, set the class path, and start the services. So we're going to see these steps as part of this. So first go to the Spark website. Click on this. Go to Spark website. It says Spark download. So go to, you can see here, download Spark hyphen Apache. This is the your download site, right? So you can just click on this, go to here, and you'll be in the downloading page, right? So it will be showing you current release versions and what is the pre-build with the Hadoop, and whether it's a direct download or you want to download from this. So it will be giving an options. So here, as part of this, so we're going to download 2.0. We're going to download 2.0, which has been developed. It has been released in July 2016, and we'll be using Hadoop 7, right? So Hadoop 7 we have installed in last previous session. So we'll be using this, and instead of selecting directly here, we can that's what, instead of going through Apache mirrors and download that, you can directly download on this. When you click on this, as soon as you clicked on this, it'll ask you to save it. So you can say okay, and it will be keep running on this. So anyway, I have already downloaded. So as we saw in previous sessions, whatever the downloaded the software, so what I have done, I have copy pasted into in this. See here, I have downloaded Tarball. So this Tarball, first step is we have downloaded. Go to Spark and download tar. That is done. Now we are going to see second step, how to how to extract it. So very simple, guys. You can copy this. You can copy this to Hadoop PNV, and you can create a Spark here, and in this you can paste it here, you can extract it here. So as simple as that. Okay, but so I don't want to show this way because we will do from everything from the console. Okay, from the terminal. See here, go to your Spark directory, softwares directory, where you have softwares. So use the tar command. Use the tar command to do this. Use the tar command -xvf, and you will be seeing Spark. Okay, Spark. See, and where you want to extract, and which location you want to extract. So you just specify the location of where you want to extract it. Local, I want to extract in Hadoop env, or you can install into Spark env. So as part of this, I'm going to extract into Spark Hadoop env. So you just press enter. So it will start extracting all your Spark tarball into the specified location. So look at, guys, here. So go to your Hadoop env and your Spark is extracted. So I don't want to. Okay, so Okay, so let it be the Spark name. It is actually, so it looks like a very big name in the Spark directory. So I would like to rename it, but fine, not let it be the same name. So now the second step is done. So we have extracted, downloaded, extracted, and third step is we are going to set the class path. So already we know that how to set the class path. How to set the class path? Go to your home directory. What is your home directory? Wherever you have logged in. So home and Spark. Spark is my username here, right? In this home directory, use gedit dot bash rc. So we need to set the bash rc file for environment variable and class path. So here, as we set it before for Scala, Java, Hadoop, right? Here we're going to set for Spark as well. So how to set that? Export Spark underscore home. Home means nothing, guys. Home means wherever you have installed the software. See here, Spark home means I have installed Spark in this location. Install in this location where I have extracted. This is my Spark, my home directory, Spark home directory. I can say this is my Spark home directory. Copy this, go to your gedit, paste it here, and export path. Be careful while setting the path, as I said before as well. Be careful while you're setting the path. So you should be very careful that spark underscore home slash bin. Save it. So before setting this, you can go inside the Spark directory. You see that you have there's something called bin directory, and where you have where you can start your no look at, guys, here Spark shell, where you can start Spark submit. You have this, right? Suppose you want to start your Spark service in standalone mode. There are different modes, right, where you can use the cluster management as yarn, or you can use the standalone mode, or you can use mesos, right? There are different kind of modes. So in that case, what we will do, see here, we have something called cluster mode, running the service in cluster mode. You have a start slave, start stop all, and you have something called start all here, and you can start specific master, you can start specific slave, you can do that, right? So in this video we are going to see how to start a standalone mode, and we'll be saying how to start the yarn mode as well. Okay, so first, so now let the class path setting done. So I have done the set, save this file and close this file. Over here, just close the file. So after closing the file, now what you have done, first step, downloaded, extracted, set the class path, then start the services. So to check the what are the Java processes are running in your setup or your environment, just type JPS. It will list out the what are the services are running here. So we already started install the Spark, and we have set the bash RC, but we didn't source the bash RC. We have to source the bash RC after setting the bash RC, right? So I have explained why we need to source the bash RC in previous sessions. Now here, see here, I have Sparks SQL, I have Spark hyphen SQL, I have some Spark submit, all Spark shell. I can start any of the services here, right? This is the using Spark in an interactive shell mode. So then how to use it in a cluster mode, how to start the cluster mode, and how to see the Spark master is running or Spark workers are running or not. So we are going to see now it, right? Just wait. And a Spark version available as a Spark, and it is showing, and it is a 2.0.0, what are the version we have installed just now. Now quit from here. So anyway, we're not going to do anything here, we just quit, and we have installed Spark successfully. So now I'm going to show you how to run your Spark in a how to run a Spark in a standalone mode. To run a Spark in a standalone mode, we don't need the yarn services, and we don't need Hadoop services. So I'm going to stop all Hadoop services. To stop all the Hadoop services, stop hyphen all dot sh. To start the all Hadoop services, using stop hyphen all dot sh, start hyphen all dot sh to start. Right, I'm stopping the all the services because I'm not going to use the Hadoop services here as part of this. Right, this is getting stopped. Yeah, it is stopped. It is stopped all the services. To start your Spark in a cluster mode, what we need to do, we have to go to where the Spark is installed into SBin directory, as I shown in the previous. Here to start your services, you have to go to in this location, right? So let's go here, cd dollar spark home. It means where your Spark is has been. You can say ll, you have all the services where you can start all services, where you can all the services where you can do it, stop all services, where you start the slaves on specific slave and specific, so where you can start the services. Let's see here. It means let's start all.sh. I'm going to start this Spark specific services. So let's see here. So it is starting your all master services. You can see here Apache deploy master and Apache Apache deploy server. So when you say JPS now, you will see here your master and worker is running. This is Spark master and this is Spark worker. So to check whether how this Spark master is running, where the Spark master is running or not, whether it is running or not. So what we will do normally, as I shown you before, for the running HDFS, how we execute a localhost 50070. Same way here, localhost 8080. 8080. So this is the place where your Spark is running. This is the place where your Spark is running, and this is your worker node. In our setup, we are doing a pseudo mode. So we'll be having one master only, and we'll be having a same mission itself is the slave. So we can click on the slave. We can see no, is there any running executors? Is there any executor ID? How many cores? All will be we can see here. So your Spark setup is done. So this is how we will do Spark setup. And let's assume that you want in a fully distributed mode where multiple slaves are running. What we will do, we will add those worker nodes. We will add those worker nodes to specific master, this master, so that we will see in a fully distributed mode setup. Thank you. Thanks for watching.